Planning to buy a new phone? Official or unofficial? Well, today we're diving into why unofficial phones might not be such a great deal after all.
Why?
And the key differences between an official phone and an unofficial phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So what exactly is an official phone and an unofficial phone? Well, official phones are the phones that are manufactured and authorized by the company and sold via their official retailer shop or websites. Whereas unofficial phones are the devices that aren't authorized or certified by the manufactured company. And they are sold in certain regions, by the way. Not in every region, but in certain regions. This could mean grey market import, refurbished phones sold via non-certified sellers, or phones made from unofficial parts. Let's break down the key differences between an official phone and an unofficial phone. Starting with warranty. Official phones come with manufacturer-backed warranties, customer support, and service centers. While talking about unofficial phones, good luck getting support if you're into some problem. Number 2 is software updates. Official phones get regular software updates and security patches updates directly from the manufacturer. Like the Samsung S24 Ultra gets up to 7 years of updates, whereas the iPhone 16 only gets the 5 years of updates. But unofficial phones often miss out these updates or just rely on these risky third-party ROMs, which even makes them more vulnerable.
You should be aware.
Number 3 is network capabilities. Official phones are optimized to work with the local carrier, meaning better reception and access to services like 5G or 4G. But unofficial phones might not be fully compatible with your region's network standards. This means you can have a network issue in unofficial phone. Number 4 is local regulations. Official phones are built to meet the local safety regulations like radiation limits, battery safety standards, and etc. Whereas the unofficial phones may skip all of these standards, posing high risks. Now let's talk about some serious downsides of buying an unofficial phone. Starting with number 1, no warranty. As I talked earlier, unofficial phones don't get any warranty. So if your unofficial phone breaks, you're likely on your own. And most probably, some parts are even not available locally. So you are just stuck on that broken phone. Number 2 is poor resale value. Unofficial phones are harder to sell because people are wary of their condition and origin. And also in future, if you are planning to exchange this phone to get a new phone, this ain't gonna happen. This ain't gonna happen, man. And also their resale value is lower compared to the official phones. Number 3 is security risks. As I talked earlier, unofficial phones sometimes miss out security updates. So this could mean they are vulnerable to security threats, malware, or even hacking. Number 4 is potential for counterfeit parts. Some unofficial phones might be assembled with counterfeit or low quality parts, leading them to performance issue, battery failure, or even safety hazards. Now, why should you choose an official phone? Number 1 is peace of mind. Again, if you're buying an official phone, you are guaranteed your warranty, customer services, and your reassurance that your phone is totally safe and optimized for your country. Number 2 is longevity. As official phones get regular software updates and security updates, this actually makes them more usable and secure for a longer time. And this is very important in times of buying a phone for a person like me. Number 3 is exchange offers. With an official phone, you can exchange it to get a new phone, or sometimes even a laptop or even a tablet, whichever the company is offering. Number 4 is full compatibility. Whether it's connecting to your local network or using a region-specific apps, the official phones always work way better. Now, how can you know if the phone you're buying is official or an unofficial? Is there any way to find out? Well, if you're buying it from an official outlet, then obviously it will be an official phone. But in case if you're not buying it from an official outlet, or in case if you're just curious to know if your phone is official or not, then you can try the traditional IMEI method. To do that on your phone, on that phone, just dial in star hash 06 hash and it will show you a IMEI number. Just note it down and then go to Google and go to any of these websites. Just type in the number here and it will tell you if the phone is official or not. If the phone is unofficial, I won't recommend you to buy it. At the end of the day, the cost of an unofficial phone isn't worth the risk you take, okay? So stick with the official phone as it will give you better performance and long-term value. And if you're having some kind of problem with your official or unofficial phone, you can also comment that down below. Again, thanks for watching to the end, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell to get new videos just like this. Again, my name is Simon, and I'll see you in the next one.